Hey guys, so welcome to step 7, and in this video I will be talking about small few tips and tricks from my personal experience, and I think it will help you in your application process. So stay tuned. So coming to the application process, and make sure that you have followed the first few steps, first 6 steps. If not, then watch the video, link in the descriptions and also up there. So make sure to follow correctly step 1 to 6, and then start your process early. It's just that earlier you start, the better it is for you, and more time you have if there are any complications with your application. So for September intake, it's just better to start, at least 6 months in advance. Now would be the perfect time to start for September 2022 intake. So make sure to start early. Make sure you have all the documents required for the application process. I've made videos on what all documents are required. Make sure you have them all ready in hand. So transcripts from university, personal experience letters from your previous job experiences, from your HODs, then letter of recommendations, and everything that is required for application. Make sure you have all of it ready. And then the third important tip is to check for scholarships. I have made a previous video also in step 6. I have emphasized, and I cannot emphasize enough on to you to check scholarships. It will save you maybe 400 pounds, 1000 pounds depending on your university. So make sure to check for scholarships. It is very important and it will save you money. Not many consultants, agents will tell you about it because it's their loss, but make sure you do your thorough research when selecting and see which scholarship is applicable for you. Then if possible, then pay full fees. The only reason I'm telling is you will get a good discount. If the pound rate is low and if you're paying the full fees, you will surely benefit and save 40,000 to 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh rupees just by paying the fees early. You get early fees discount. Most of the universities offer that. Better to check with your university. So that is also one good thing, that check with the early fees payment discount. Then next important tip, the sixth important tip that I'm talking about is that do not rely completely on agents. Do your thorough diligence, do check the university course and everything that is with the application, and just not rely on the agent. If agent says, okay, apply to X university and Y course, just because he's telling, don't go for it. There might be something. I know the agents are helpful and it may be helpful for you guys, but I don't think you should completely rely on agents. It's just good to do your due diligence and do your thorough research for the course and university that you are applying. And seventh important tip, after you got your visa, you are excited and booking for flights. If possible, then book flights flying for Wednesday or Tuesday, and book them on Tuesday or Wednesday. It's just that from my analysis and little bit of reading and research, I have found out that flights on Tuesday, Wednesday are cheaper than compared to flying on Mondays or say for weekends, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's just a small hack, not a big one, but it will save you some money. So these were the 7 tips that I wanted to share in this video to help you with your application process, and good luck with it. In the step 8, I will be talking about what you do after you get your visa. I think I have covered pretty much everything in this series, so I think this series is coming to an end. Stay tuned for more videos. And one more thing I want to emphasize, guys, please do like, share, subscribe my videos. And if you want or have any query and you want me to make a video on, just comment below. Or if you have any query, I make sure to reply within 24 hours. So consider this a request, and just please like, share, subscribe my videos.